This video will show you how to do an early checkout in a group reservation. Let us see how. Right-click the group reservation you wish to early check out. Click View Details in the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. At the bottom of the page, click the reservation that you wish to check out early. The selected reservation will open. Click the Early Checkout button. Enter the reason for an early checkout. Enter the charges, if any. Add description, if required. Click the Early Checkout button. An alert appears. Click OK. You are taken to the payment screen of the reservation. Click Generate Folio. Collect the payment by clicking on Pay Now. Click Checkout. An alert appears. Do you wish to settle all folios? Click OK. The reservation is checked out. The checked out reservation status is updated on the front desk, which is indicated by the change in color. This brings us to the end of the video on how to early check out a reservation.